Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ian at Anointed Vessel Chiropractic in Clark, New Jersey with the Chiropractic Tip of the Week. When people hear chiropractic, they associate it with neck and back pain, which is partly true. But chiropractors are actually nerve doctors that balance out the nervous system through the chiropractic adjustment. So mental health is often altered when the spine is misaligned because it changes the sympathetic, the fight or flight, and the parasympathetic, known as the rest or digest signals, from the body to the brain. And between 50 to 65% of patients with chronic pain are also diagnosed with depression, which dysregulates various systems of the body. The adjustments work by improving the imbalances and reducing those symptoms. So please, don't suffer with these symptoms any longer. When you're ready, make sure to book an appointment with us so that we can be feeling and functioning better as soon as possible.